Welcome to day 2 of the 7-day sugar-free challenge. You've got the obvious carbs. You've started spotting hidden sugars. Now let's talk about something even sneakier. The sugar you're drinking. Because here's the truth most people ignore. It's not just what's in your plate. It's what's in your cup that's doing a lot of damage. Fruit juice, sports drinks, smoothies, flavored coffee, so-called health drinks loaded with syrups, agave, or natural sweeteners. Even the innocent-looking ones are wrecking your hormones. Here's why this matters, especially in menopause. When you drink sugar, it hits your bloodstream fast. Your insulin spikes, and that triggers cortisol, your stress hormone. Now, cortisol and insulin, that's the fat-storing dream team. And guess where it lands? Right around your belly. Plus, sugary drinks dehydrate you. And dehydration? It makes hot flashes, headaches, and fatigue even worse. This isn't just about calories. It's about chemistry. It's about hormonal chaos in a glass. Here's your day 2 action step. Cut all sugary drinks starting now. That includes fruit juice, soft drinks, sweetened coffee, smoothies, all of it. And replace them with still or sparkling water, herbal teas, black coffee or tea, no sugar, no milk. Infused water with herbs, fruit, or cucumber. Then share your favorite sugar-free replacement on your online community. You'll also find your sugar-free beverage guide in today's download, with recipes for infused waters and healing teas that actually support your hormones. You don't need energy drinks. You don't need fake hydration. You need water, and you need truth. Every sip matters. You're not just changing your drinks, you're changing your biology. Keep going. You're doing the work. No more bullshit. Time to wake up.